imaginecreate is the AI photo shoot and video suite for product and fashion brands. Our AI fashion photography tool lets you transform flat lays into professional on-model images and videos in minutes. Let me show you how in 4 easy steps. First, upload a photo of your item. If you're a Shopify merchant, you have the option to upload from your Shopify store. Then, select how many generations you want. This gives you the number of variations you'll see in your results. Now, the fun part. Describe the lifestyle image you want to create in the prompt box. Simply describe the item, model, and setting. I'd like to see a blonde model with soft curls walking in Paris. Finally, the last step is to click Generate. And voila, 4 stunning lifestyle images in minutes. Now, let's say I want to see the same item and scene, but on a variety of different models. I can simply change the model's description in the prompt to easily create cohesive and diverse fashion campaigns. For example, let's now see this on an Asian model. Once you have the shot you love, you can turn any generation into a video by clicking this button. Check it out. If you're not sure what to prompt, don't worry. We've made it easier with templates. If you go this route, first select your model. Let's go with Vera for this jacket. As you can see, the prompt box auto-populates with your selected model. Then, choose the background. I'll go with the park setting. Finally, click Generate, and here you go. That's imaginecreate in a nutshell. Whether you create your own or use our templates, the possibilities are endless.